unboxing. Let's look at gemstones from Jeremy, shall we? Woo-hoo-hoo. I am super excited. Jeremy is known for absolutely phenomenal color and cut in every type of gemstone. Check that out. Special tape garnet. Ooh, Mahenge garnet. This is from the Mahenge region of Tanzania. So awesome. Amaranth garnet. Sometimes we call these grape garnets. Check out that color. Oh, another Mahenge garnet. The cool thing about the Mahenge garnets, this is from the Mahenge region of Tanzania. They have a really interesting refraction and color. You actually get lots of different types of colors within the gem. So cool. Really pretty peach tourmaline. Oh, so cool. All right, these are some of my favorites. Check these out. All right, let's see here. We've got big cushion cut tourmaline. We have a really sweet mint garnet. And then we've got a beautiful Savarite garnet. Look at that color. Focus a little better. There we go. Ha 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 ha. Sparkles. Yay, Jeremy Stones.